Hey guys, this is Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie and this is our first full day here in Prague. We got here yesterday around noon. It was raining. All we did is film an Airbnb tour, which I'll show you now. We are coming to you from Prague. It has been a very long day. We got up at 4 o'clock to catch a 5:30 train from Krakow. We just got to our Airbnb. Actually, we've been here about 15 minutes, but I wanted to give you a tour before we mess it up. Garrett is standing in what we're calling the Arctic entry. It is like a little cubby that has several closets. We'll come back and show you those. And then as you walk into our apartment, it's pretty spacious actually. We have a little table, desk area type of setup there. A couch, which I did sit in. It's halfway decent. The overhead light does not work. We're not sure if that's a light bulb, so we're going to try to zoom in and figure out what that is. We have a TV with a DVD player. There's tons of DVDs in that cabinet, but they're all in check, so we won't be watching any of those. We have a table with chairs. And then we have a really teeny tiny kitchen. I'm gonna let Garrett go in there just because I don't think we can both fit. So we have everything you would expect in a kitchen with the exception of a microwave, which we missed. But we have a sink and we have an oven and we have a 3-burner cooktop. That is a super big plus because in Krakow we only had a 2-burner. And if you only have a 2-burner and you have no microwave, it's troublesome, at least for me. Anyway, we will move into the bathroom. There is no shower here, but we do have a tub with a handheld thingamajig, so we'll still get clean. We have a washing machine, a separate potty room, and then we have 2 sinks, which is nice. We'll be able to spread out all of our junk. And last but not least, we will make our way over to the bedroom. Guess what you can find in this bedroom? A bed. Looks to be a queen size bed. No flat sheet, but no worries. I brought my own. One big comforter, might be too hot for us. The towels, this is the only thing I would say with the exception of the light. These look kind of ragged and need to be replaced, but they do smell clean. I smell them. And we have tons of storage, extra sheets, some blankets, extra towels. And that pretty much wraps up the tour of our Airbnb here in Prague. We have no balcony. One thing I did notice when we came in, it appears most of the units below us are businesses, so that should mean it's really quiet at night, which will be a plus. And I can't remember what we paid for the place, but I will put it on the screen for you to see. So here is the little entryway that Garrett's going to show you. It's pretty small, so I'll let him give you the tour. Has everything you need. After that, we went to the grocery store, got a couple of things to tide us over. We have been in Prague for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, I don't even know. Anyway, we had to go to the grocery store for a couple of reasons. Number one, we had nothing to eat. Number two, it's supposed to rain today and tomorrow, and we wanted to at least be able to survive until we can get out and go back again, because as in all of the European cities that we have been in, we have to go multiple times just because we have no car to haul all of this stuff back. So we spent 1,045 Czech crowns, which is approximately 45 US dollars. And here is what we got. So today it is not raining. We came out and we're going to take you along because I'm going to start a different type of video for you guys. A lot of people say, what do you do all the time when you're in a city? Because we typically spend 30 days, and so we're going to take you along and show you what we do over the course of a week, so it gives you a better idea. So let's go check it all out. Tell me where we're getting off at.
Somewhere in town.
Thanks. So first up, we are walking in this market we just stumbled upon. So we are here in the main square, and this is our first Tuesday. Our friends from Australia, Linda and Kim, they met the honest guys here, which is Hanukkah and Hansa, and I'm really keeping my fingers crossed that I will find them. We're still walking around. We decided to try to find the hotel we stayed at the last time we were here, or I guess I should say I wanted to go walk past there, but Garrett just said a minute ago it sure does clear out of tourists once you get out of the center, and he's right. So the hotel we stayed at when we were here last time is still here. It used to be a hostel, and I don't know if we can go in, but we really liked it.
Back in 2009, this was our favorite bar in Prague. Now it's a bookstore, but the outdoor courtyard area is still here.
Prague Castle. We have not gone up there yet today. I don't know when we're going up there. Did we buy tickets in advance for that? No, so we'll go up there another time. So to wrap up our first full day here in Prague, we just walked around for several hours. We stopped and went to the grocery store again. We just got back from the Albert grocery store. Today in Prague, we spent 882 Czech crowns, which is $38, and this is what we got. And then we stopped at a convenience store for drinks, and it was pretty uneventful. We don't have any planned activities for the next several days. We are fortunate that in essentially mid-October, we have really good weather. It was 70 degrees out today, and tomorrow it's supposed to be 78, so we're going to walk around some more then, and we'll take you along for that as well.
So today is our second full day in Prague, and we decided to go to Vysehrad, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's an old fortress, just south, I guess, of Old Town. It's got a basilica, some gardens, and it gives a nice overview of the city. So we thought we'd take the tram over here, walk up the hill, and check it out.
There's the basilica we are headed to. Garrett said we sat in these benches last time we were here, and he even has pictures to prove it. If he can find some, I'll put it at the end of the video. It's probably about, I don't know, 74 degrees right now. And it is October 11th or 12th, so not bad weather for October.
Watch out, school group coming.
So we just left the Vysehrad Basilica. It's a minor basilica. It cost about $5 US each to get in. It was really nice. It was beautiful. After we finished our tour of the basilica, we walked over and through the attached graveyard, and it was pretty neat. It had lots of really cool headstones, which I kind of like. We went to the grocery store today. Here's everything that we got. We spent 494.13 crowns, which is roughly 23 bucks. What do you want to say?
Nothing.
Yeah, you do. What were you going to
I
say?
was going to say, if all of a sudden those clouds turn different colors, we got to go take a picture of the castle.
Okay. Life with a photographer. Always trying to go somewhere to take a picture or stand there patiently for a long time.